Hey guys, it's Eva Rankin and I'm going to show you how to create a simple eye look featuring all L'Oréal Paris products. To create this super easy look, we're going to be using 3 shades of the Le Shadow sticks. I'm starting off with shade 230 Magnetic Bronze and I'm just going to swatch this on my hand for you guys so you can really get a good idea of the colour, and this is a really nice bronzy shade. I'm beginning by applying the product in the contour and V of my eye, so I'm really using my own natural eye shape to create this contoured effect. So my recommendation here would be to just follow your natural eye shape. And then blending this in so it looks really natural and really smoothly blended. As this product is a cream, it's so easy to build and blend. Once we have nicely blended that lovely bronzy shade into our eye, we're then going to take the same shade underneath to really create that contoured effect. Taking the same shade under your eye is really going to help bring your whole eye look together. So I love doing this with my base shade. And I'm just blending this out super smoothly again. So I've just gone ahead and completed the same steps on my other eye, and we now have this really gorgeous base to work with. So that is step 1 complete. I'm now going in to use our darkest shade. This is 420 Brown Bliss. I'm going to swatch this again for you guys so you can really see the gorgeous colour, and you can see that this is a much deeper brown, so you're going to get a lot more colour out of this shade. I'm now taking this darker shade along my lash line, and this is going to really help define your eyes and make your eyes pop. So as you guys can see, I kind of tight lined my eye using the darker shade, and then I'm going to take a small angled brush and just blend this in more precisely along my lash line to really give a lovely defined look to the eye. I'm using a slightly more precise angled brush here just so I can keep the product exactly where I placed it. It's really important to note that as these are such a soft, creamy texture, you can really be messy with them. Nothing has to be too precise or neat, which I think makes doing your eyeshadow so much easier. See, I've just blended that out and I've already created this gorgeous smoky eye in literally 2 steps. It's so simple and so easy. I'm now going in with the lightest shade 115 Twinkly Rose. This is my favourite shade. It's a gorgeous champagne rose gold colour, and this is why you're really going to be able to brighten up your eyes again. I'm fiercely placing this light shade in my inner corner. As you can see, that really makes your eyes pop. I'm then taking it along my brow bone where the light naturally hits. You can even blend this with your fingers as it is very blendable. I'm then going into the centre of my eye too to just really add that gorgeous pop of champagne in the middle. To complete the eye look, I'm going in with the L'Oréal Paris Big Deal Mascara. This one is in shade Blackest Black. Starting at the root of my lash, I like to wiggle up the mascara, making sure that I coat all of the lash. And here we have the completed eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this and found this video helpful. If you would like to shop any of the products that I used today, they will all be linked in the description below. I love this eye look. I feel like it's so buildable, so wearable, and so easy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.